Hey everybody! Yesterday I tried the new GoPro Hero 7 on snow. I wanted to know how well the new Hypersmooth Stabilization works when skiing or snowboarding and whether it is significantly better than the standard stabilization. All shots were taken in 4K and 60 frames per second. Unfortunately, the weather was not very good and the contrast to blue sky is a bit missing. Nevertheless, I would like to show you the footage to give you an idea of the results the Hero 7 produces on snow. Later I will make a video with tips and tricks for creating ski and snowboard videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're interested. If you're interested in GoPro accessories for skiing or snowboarding, I'll also put some links in the video description. So have fun with this video.